Hi there, I'm happy to show you this long-range 40-wheel electric mobility scooter by MOVEMAGIC that I was gifted. So let's go ahead and start by unboxing it. So here we do have the main body, a nice seat, the wheels, and the removable lithium-ion battery. Everything seems to be in great condition and ready to set up. So let's go ahead and set it up. I found that it was a breeze. It didn't take me all that long, just a few minutes, and all the parts are easy to handle, and I don't really have to worry about any special tools to assemble. Everything is included. I would describe the process as super straightforward, and it's great for anyone who might not be familiar with assembling techie gadgets. Now let's go ahead and talk about how I find the seat to feel nice and comfy. The seat on the scooter is really cushy, and I find that it makes long rides more enjoyable. Plus the scooter operates quietly, so it's great for a peaceful ride in the park or around your neighborhood. Maybe you're heading to the store. So the scooter does have two spacious baskets at the front and the rear, which I find is great for grocery shopping. So maybe you're going to go run a quick errand. You can carry everything that you need without trouble. So the scooter does have a 300-pound capacity. I find that this is a great choice. I love that it's super easy to operate. I love how comfortable I feel in it and using it. I know I have control with its front and reverse. The electromagnetic brake kicks in as soon as you release the joystick. I love this because I find that it's a smooth stop every time I let go. Plus the anti-rollover device is meant to help protect from accidents. I have really enjoyed riding it, so maybe you're riding it at night as well. The scooter has a built-in light to keep you visible. I have really enjoyed that it has that light. It helps me see where I'm going as well in the nighttime. Another thing I really appreciate about this scooter is how easy it is to fold and store. It only takes a few seconds to collapse, and I find that it fits nicely in the trunk of my car. I personally like to take out the seat as well because it's super easy for me to set up once I'm ready to use it again. It also has a top speed of 6.2 miles an hour, a 30-mile range with the 720 lithium battery, and the all-terrain capacities. So this scooter is built for both comfort and performance. I can easily use it on the street, on the roads. Plus, it has the extra large shopping basket in that bag. I love that it has the rear view mirrors and even a USB charging port, which I find is really convenient for everyday use. Overall, I'd say I'm really impressed with how functional and user-friendly this four-wheel electric mobility scooter is. So whether you're using it for leisure, shopping, getting around town, I have really enjoyed it. I love how comfy I feel in it, the quick release braking that it does, and just its overall look. I hope that you found this video review helpful. Thanks so much for watching.